So, hi guys, we want to go on installing some useful extensions, and yes, go in the directory, go in our Anaconda environment, start our system. Yeah, and we are fine.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, we installed the web search extension, which works very well. So, let's go on. There are a few other extensions which are really nice. From this list, I go from the easiest to the hardest to install plugins. I would suggest Character Bias, which is also used in a lot of professional chatting um, uh, um, websites. So let's see what happens. Oh, this even starts, I guess. So nothing to install. It kicks out our character,
Absolutely.
which we know that this can happen, but character bias is there. We just save it to be completely sure that it's running out of the box. We hit Control C. I do for this video clear that we can see together better if there are problems. I guess this was one of the easiest extensions, but it's really useful. I will show you. Character bias is loaded. So it is really easy. I don't even have to load a model to show you this. Here is the character bias extension. If you don't want it, you can even do it unactive, but it's the easy version is I'm happy, I'm sad. So you give the a model the how it feels, which is more for role play things. But here with the custom bias string, it is really interesting. So you can, for example, if you have problems with the web search, you can change the bias. For example, look more scientific on this problem, or you can give several things. Interesting is this, I guess, doesn't take much tokens, or much less than you would do this in the character description itself, because you just do it once, and after the model takes all the tokens, this is not longer in the description. So this is really interesting and also saves tokens, and you can really bias the character. It's really often used in some kind of websites which just do chatting, and I think it's called author's bias or something like this. But this is it's really great if something with your model, it's not like you want it and you don't want to start a new and write a whole new character. Try this. This is easy. Really often this solves problems. So let's go to the next extension, and I guess this is something that's really close to it. Is called complex memory. This is, I have to put this in the description because this is also not in the Oobabooga, I guess here, description, or is it? Let's see. Just a quick search. Oh, it's there, but the guy hosted on his own repository. Um, yeah. So, let's see. It's just you can just clone it. So this is so old. You see, uh, you can do it like this. Copy in the URL of the URL of the website, of the GitHub website. Clone it, and maybe it's also as easy as that. Not sure. It's like this is also working. Start it again.
Absolutely.
So this also should be uh, started. No, not yet. Complex memory. We have to apply it. See what happens. Our character gets kicked out.
Absolutely.
For, but maybe also. Let's see. I save it and we see. We make the test. Be sure that it is running without making trouble. It looks like started from the
Absolutely.
beginning. This looks really similar to the problem I had with the other plugin. But we don't give up right now. But it is here. Maybe let's see. The easiest way is to talk to our model. Uh, load a model. So possible that is also giving us errors because of this. But also possible that we run in serious trouble now. So this takes much longer than the last time. Maybe it's like I thought this, if you feed it so fast, it just caches the thing. This is the real time, which I think is much more likely. So, let's see. Hi, how are you? Just to see if it works.
Oh, I'm doing great.
Yeah, so she's talking to us. That's great. And yes, here's the plugin. So we have to be a bit uh, careful because these error, I don't know what it was, but plugin is there. I show you how it works, and maybe it crashes or it runs now. So you see here you have a new keyword, and here are keywords. So new keyword is, I guess, you write something like uh, let's go. I think it's like a keyword. It's like this birthday, and then you can say here my something like this, and you say add, and see here now you have the keyword birthday. You can say always active, and then the model remembers everything you put in here. Be aware, don't do too much. It eats up tokens really, really fast, especially if you do it on always active. Um, a trick is don't do it on always active. If you need it in the conversation, to put it on active. But yeah, it's like it is a great tool, but yeah, especially models are really bad in math, counting, remember dates. So this is really okay. So if you, for example, want to experience just the character has a special date, it should remember or something like this. This is a good habit to put it in here. Otherwise, the model really fast gets hallucination and has one time this date birthday and this time another birthday. If you perhaps use it commercially, like for your company or something like this is really important to have, especially dates or numbers in here, because it doesn't work really well in the character description. Yeah, that's uh, uh, that's really important to know. Just want to know you. That's so. These are great tools, both character bias and this is more like the same, like, but that the model remembers it all the time. So you have at the end you have a list like yeah, I guess you have the birthday keyword, and you can set address, um, street, number, zip code, whatever. Yeah. Um, Important is now we have two of these. What is important is this is really case sensitive. So I guess plural and singular. So you should always take singular to that the model finds it. So and also in the conversation you can have a birthday can be somebody's birthday, but if the character is us, you can make your birthday or your age, for example, the keywords. Yeah, then it will remember this, and it will not tell you like this. It's just it will recognize it and will build an answer out of this sentence what is here. So I hope this helps a bit. Um, yeah, maybe we do another quick plugin to get a bit forward. And another easy one is what is really easy. I showed this already in the other tutorial. Is the from Trevor UI to import characters. It's really easy. We make another tutorial about how to write a character really professional, but this is just to have fun, and you should also don't work the whole time with this thing. You should have fun sometimes, and this is really easy here. So we install this cloning, and we just good habit is to unload the model first, um, and hit Control C here. We start it again. And let's see, is it here?
Oh, I'm doing great.
There it is. As you see, this comes back. We have really to see what this is. Apply. Kicks out the character, so maybe it's
Oh,
this. Let's save it again. And maybe try out another time. See what happens. This looks good for now. Yeah. Um, mm, this is the extension, and yeah, you just get characters here out of the box. Um, it's really like yeah, um, you can search. Um, it's like easy here, for example, choice. Hit preview and see someone here makes it possible to talk to choice. So, however, maybe it's a god, maybe it's a other creature, and yeah, you see it. If you like it, just hit download, and it downloads it, and yeah, it's really handy. Also, they have even recent previews, characters you also previewed, like for example. It's not working now forever. However, but yeah, you see, it's doing a lot of stuff. Also here, you can have not safe for work characters. So there are a lot of characters. Um, and yeah, it's great. It's easy. Just download them, have fun, test them, and yeah. Hope this helps. See you next time. We have to really look what is this here. If we run in trouble. Yeah. Bye.